What's up everyone? Welcome to another episode of Demetria Eats, and I'm gonna take you to a very special place. If you've ever been to Vegas, you know that Japanese barbecue, Korean barbecue, huge. Whenever anybody comes from out of town, I always take them to one of these spots because it's all you can eat. They usually have sushi, all these amazing premium meats, and this place, Chubby Cattle, has just opened up, and so I'm so excited because it's my first time. We're gonna experience this one together, so come on, follow me. I'm so excited. I've been seeing it all over social media and I already just love the atmosphere. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, let's turn around right here because they have all of the meats that they use too. Oh, that's so cool. They have the certificates of authenticity. But wow, all the way from Japan they import their meat. Demetria for two. This is so freaking pretty. Thank you, appreciate it. Yeah, thank you. Okay, right off the rip, I'm just loving the aesthetic of everything. And they just brought us out this amazing little starter salad. Everything looks so fresh. Oh. I could eat this salad every day for the rest of my life because that is so good. It has like this nice sesame punch to it. We've got some seaweed, I think. These look like some kind of pickled bean sprouts, and this is kimchi, which is super healthy for you. Anything that's pickled is really healthy to go with your meat, your rice, all of that. So the drinks are self-serve here, which I'm kind of excited about, and they said that they have teas, a bunch of different stuff, so let's check it out and see what's going on. Chubby tea, that off the rip sounds really good. Some days I'm a little chubby. What's chubby tea? I don't want that much, I wanted to see, okay. It kind of tastes like brown sugar milk tea. It's really good. But I want to try this jasmine milk green tea. I love jasmine tea. It's perfectly blended. So now we're loaded up on all the goodies and the drinks and everything. My jasmine milk green tea, the apple juice. We're going to go back to our table and we're going to look at this expansive menu. And you know I'm super indecisive, so places like this I always have to bring a group or somebody else at least to help me eat, because when you order all you can eat here, you have to finish a lot of that meat. They have these iPads at the table. Go through and like decide what you want. The salmon carpaccio just came out, and this is why I love all you can eat places like this, because they have a variety of appetizers. This is so good. It almost has a little bit of a truffle oil taste to it, and it's a lot of protein. It's healthy, so you're counting your macros, all that good stuff. This is one of those places to go.
Guys, I have your special meats ready. It's your A5 top blade, A5 Miyazaki ribeye, full blood Wagyu T-bone, wasabi finger meat, and your A5 finger meat is inside of the pineapple.
Oh my gosh, look at that. And then there's more. This is why you have to be careful, guys, okay? You don't want to order too much at once. This looks like freaking art.
Scallops sashimi with caviar and uni, your A5 pagwa nigiri, and that's your A5 nigiri top with uni and caviar. These are all ready to eat, guys.
All ready to eat. Thank you so much. This is amazing. I have literally ordered so much. I don't even remember what the names are of half of these things, but that's the whole deal with all you can eat, is that you could just keep ordering more and more and more. That is high quality meat right there. That's amazing. They also gave us these amazing scallops too. They're so citrusy. It's like tropical tasting. It is not fishy. It is so freaking good. And I don't even really like scallops, guys. I could eat this all day. Oh, I love medium rare. That's heaven. That is heaven. That is so good. All my meat eaters out there, you have to try that. That A5 top blade is not to play with. We have some of my jasmine. Do a little bit of pink on the inside. I know some people like theirs well done, and you can cook yours well done, but me, this is like my perfect cook. Oh my God. If you gave that to like a dog or something, they would be like floating on cloud nine. You know that crazy thing that dogs do when they're like rubbing their bodies everywhere when they're really happy? A dog would get wings after that, honestly. I'm just telling you, that's how good that meat is.
Give it a little dip. It tastes even better.
Yakiniku sauce. Yakiniku sauce. Oh, this looks really good. But you know, I'm from Kansas City. I love barbecue. They say that's the barbecue capital of the world, but this Japanese barbecue sauce here, they know something we don't know. That is so different. It's so elegant. It's perfectly tangy. I'm talking with my mouth full right now. I'm just like trying to not let all the juices drip out. Special salt. I've never heard of special salt. That ain't regular salt right there, okay? This looks like it's been imported from the sands of like Okinawa or something. This is really nice. Ooh, my goodness. So this is the T-bone. We're getting into this.
And you can try
oh my gosh.
yakiniku and the special salt.
That is perfect. All my steak lovers out there. All of you guys who are trying to get big in the gym. This right here. Oh my God. You can just eat this all day. Gosh, I just want to see what this salt's about though. Oh, that's addictive. That's That's addictive. That's got that umami kind of taste to it. That could keep me coming back. It's very savory. Neglecting all my kimchi and everything over here. I'm gonna have some because it's good for you. Oh, it just makes me feel good. It makes me feel good. I'm taking the whole family here.
Special chili powder.
Yeah, oh my goodness. I love spicy, okay? Look at that. I think I got it coated. Oh, now it's double coated. Okay. Let's see if I can handle it. Let's see. Oh my God. Who came up with this? This is so good.
Chef's recipe.
Oh, okay, it's secret. They won't tell me. Thank you, TC, for that suggestion. This is why you need him. You better get TC at your table so he knows all the little tricks. Oh my gosh. Are these little towels? So nice. Look at, oh my gosh, this ain't no regular towel either. This isn't just bounty. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And this is very beautiful thin meat here. So we're just gonna put that on the grill. There we go. Oh yeah, there it is. And now it's like browning perfectly. They just brought us out some cheesy corn. We can just put this on the grill and it'll just cook it nice and slow. Usually when you go to these all-you-can-eat places, it's like you have a designated chef. It's like the person who's gonna be the one cooking everything. And that's usually like one of my brothers, but he's not here right now. This I think is done and it's perfect. It's not completely melted, but what I'm gonna do is just take a little bit here. The meat is already seasoned, so it doesn't even need any sauce on it. It's just like perfectly been marinated in something. Slightly sweet mixture, delicious. And they brought us out these fries, because like I told you, they have all these different kinds of appetizers and stuff. They've got udon, a bunch of stuff you can order. And they look like McDonald's fries, and they are so good. They're like perfectly salted and everything. So they brought me out some Wagyu Nigiri, okay? And so we're gonna try it. There we go. It's got the little rice underneath. It's so good. There he is. I love that guy. He's so cute. So one of the appetizers is this fried chicken, and it looks so freaking delicious. Woo. This will put a lot of chicken places to shame right here. It's like when you come here, you have to try this. It's so delicious. Oh, I love all you can eat, man. In 90 minutes, of course. They always put a time limit on it for all you hungry folk out there. So we just gonna put that in there too. I know usually we wouldn't cook all this together.
Thank you for that.
Thank you. I don't like lamb. This lamb here, I could eat because it didn't have that weird overly lamb taste. This was actually super, super delicious lamb. Look at that. Look, oh, it's heavy too. It's actually really heavy. Like you don't even understand. A good fresh lettuce. Thank you so much. They recommend that you eat it with this. And then they gave us some nice cucumber spears too. So it's like that. For dessert, amazing ice cream. I love this. It's self-serve. It makes you feel like a little kid again. I'm getting vanilla because I'm a vanilla kid. Hey, here's TC again. He's going to show me a fun suicide drink. I already know. Uh-oh, okay.
So we're going to add some ice cream.
It's on the secret menu, guys. Look at that. Look what he's doing. Oh my gosh, I was going to get the jasmine milk green tea anyway. Thank you. Okay, so this is a jasmine milk green tea float. Oh, now that's a real good treat right there. I love that. Cheers, everybody. So that was Chubby Cattle. Okay, I'm gonna really enjoy myself with all of these desserts that I got. And I hope you guys are enjoying the series. Make sure you like, subscribe. I've got some more fun foodie content coming. And I might be coming to your city, so throw some suggestions. Tell me where you're from, and I might pop up and check in with you. Until next time.